Hey guys, what's up? What is going on? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare mandazis, also known as mahamri, and we are going to be starting right about now. So welcome. So to 2 cups of wheat flour we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of yeast, and to that we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to follow it up with cardamom, and we're going to be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom to the mixture. Make sure you mix your mixture well so that it is well incorporated. So that is enough. We're gonna follow up with 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter, whichever you prefer. Again, mix it well so that the margarine and the flour mixture is well mixed. When that is done, so make sure it is well mixed. Make sure it is very well mixed so that our dough is soft. The margarine helps to soften the dough while you are kneading it, so it is important. Next up, we're gonna be following it up with coconut milk or water if you don't have coconut milk, but I prefer coconut milk to water. So again, mix it up and add the coconut milk gradually. Add as you mix. That is 1 cup of coconut milk. So you're gonna mix that until the dough is soft, like shown in the video above or below, wherever you're viewing it from. So like that is what I'm talking about. So next up, you're gonna cut your dough into pieces, and then next is making the dough into balls or circles, and that is how I fold my dough to acquire perfect circles. Make sure your circle is perfect so that when you're rolling it out, it will give you a perfect circle. So that is how you should roll your balls or circles or dough. Oh my god. Yeah, and that is it. Sprinkle some flour so that it does not stick on the counter. So next up is rolling up your balls or your dough into fine circles. Make sure the dough is not too thin. Make sure the dough is not too thin, and make sure the dough again is not too thick. Remember, we used yeast, and the yeast normally rises like crazy. So make sure you don't roll it too thick or too thin. So roll your dough into a circle and then cut into 4. Repeat the same process for the number of balls that you had made, and cut to your required size. I preferred 4s so that I could get a reasonable size of mandazi. You can cut it into whatever size you prefer. So for this recipe, you'll get a maximum of 20 mandazis. And the next step, make sure your oil is really hot before you start frying your mandazis, and allow for the mandazis to rise evenly before flipping them. And when you flip them, this is what you should see. So as you can see, they are really brown and really sweet. They look really sweet and yummy. So this is how I prepare my mandazis at home, and I hope that you guys are gonna make them and enjoy them. So let's wait. You wait until your mandazis are brown, or the brown that you prefer you yourself as an individual, then flip them. And look at that. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. So perfect.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
So perfect.
You and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on my next video. Be sure to subscribe in case you have not yet, and let me see you on my next one. Bye.